Hello there. I have been making a demo for something that I am doing through the week. I wanted to look more into procedural generation. So I have made my Sunday and turned it into this cool little demo thing when it loads. So then I generate I wanted to do something like Minecraft, so it's all chunk based and it unrenders the chunk when you're not near the chunks and all of this. I could set the chunk border, I could set all of that. The way that it's like I could set the world border size. I was basing it off of Minecraft, so you could do the world border size right here, the tile size, the chunk size, the window, and then also for multi-threading because I wanted to thread it because that makes it more efficient. So I do that. The algorithm I use, the Perlin noise algorithm, it uses the random function, and it goes through it, and basically it's kind of like a heat map where like it goes through all of this, and then in here I could set the noise frequency of the noise and then the threshold of the water tiles, and then we'll go through this else if statement, getting the chunk data, and then through the chunk data it will frequency, and then it'll add the it will I do everything in a linked list. So when I run it again, it will put everything in a list. It's in increments of 10. So it's like 29, like chunk 29 up to 20. It goes up to 29, and then it goes up to, yeah, it goes up to 30, then it resets into a new linked list. I also put it in an ordered map. So then it adds the chunk to the map, new chunk. And then it's all seeded. So it's a random seed, but it's all seeded. And then I put it in an unordered map, chunk node, hash it, put it in that. And then also this is my main stuff. So I like commutex, like conditions, all that. I have a working thread, so there's 7 worker threads that handle it. I was actually getting issues where I made the chunks too small; it would actually crash because there was so much memory you're dealing with. So I go through here, and then this is my render chunks. I'm drawing everything from tile. I made it so render chunks, it basically kind of works like Minecraft, where if anything is off the screen, it kind of deloads it, and then when you go back on the screen, it loads it or renders it back up. Using all of this, it goes through. These are the tile colors, and then STL stuff, random device RT. Then it gets this is just a random number generator, so then it gives me a random seed. It tracks the current seed. STD thread is running true. All that stuff, to screen stuff. These are my worker threads. So I create the worker threads because max thread is 7. So I have 7. So then I elapse the time to world gen. So then that will generate the chunks. I initial the chunks with world border. So I make sure that it doesn't go out of the world border. That's what that black outline was. And this is my main loop. So I could press R and it will make a new world. So that, and then I'll press go up, and I'll press R. It generates a new map. See, complete regenerating map with new seed. Here's the new seed. Seed is this, and then it goes through, regens the entire new map. And then look at, we got this beautiful world over here. Brown is mountains. I'm still tinkering with it. I clear the map, and then I get the current seed, new seed, and then for that I lock guard the queue. That's just for movement. I go that. I finish finished doing the work thread, and that's basically so far what I have for my demo. I would say it's pretty impressive because I did it in the last. It's been my morning/afternoon. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.